Hi, I'm that BERNINA guy at Stitch in Heaven, and today we're going to be talking about a BERNINA 5 Series machine. In this case today I have a 590 for our demonstration, but this will also work for your 500 embroidery unit and your 570. So if you have either one of these machines, I'm just going to show you how to properly engage it and disengage it. Here you have to have a nice level surface. If you have a table that's flexing too much, it won't work and you'll get all kinds of inconsistencies and disconnections in the middle of your stitching, and so your machine will basically be shutting off at the embroidery unit. Here you want to disengage your feed dogs when you're going to be using your embroidery unit, so you'll disengage by pushing your button in on the right side of the machine, and then on these you just simply slide it in. You line your guide pin into the proper spot, and then it clicks right in, and then your machine is ready to go. Now to disengage your machine, you have a nice handle here on the back. You pull this little lever in, all the way in, and then slide your machine back out of position, and now you're disengaged. And then if you're going to go back to regular sewing, just disengage your feed dogs and you're ready for regular sewing. Hey, I'm that BERNINA guy at Stitch in Heaven. If you like our videos, please subscribe, like, and if you see that little bell at the bottom, you can click on that bell if you want new notifications of any new video releases that we have. Please give us a call if you have any questions, and have a great day.